So let's begin by setting up LaTeX on your system. This document is available for download and attached to this lecture, and it gives you step-by-step instructions depending on the operating system that you're using. The one thing that you need to run LaTeX is a text distribution, and that's the actual typesetting engine that handles all the work behind the scenes. The second thing you'll want is a LaTeX editor. This is the application that you will use to create your documents. If you're setting up on a Mac, there are many different ways to set up your environment. I've chosen what I find to be the easiest all-in-one solution that's provided by MacTech. So follow this link to the MacTech website. And from here, you want to download the mactech.package. This requires that you're on Mac OS X 10.5 or higher. If you're running an older version, scroll down the page, click here, and then scroll down that page, and you'll find a link to MacTech 2010, which is the previous version. After you've downloaded the distribution, double-click on the file to install it. Unless you know what you're doing, you should use the default settings as you go through the installation wizard. After you've completed the installation, you will have TeX installed. TeX is your text distribution. You also have TeX Shop. TeX Shop is the editor that you'll use to create your LaTeX documents. So find TeX Shop in your Applications folder and click on it to start your work. If you're setting up on Linux, your OS probably already has a TeX system installed, and if it's a recent version of Linux, it's going to have TeX Live. If you don't see TeX Live, then check and see if you have TTEC on your system. Either one of those will work. If you don't find either, you want to install TeX Live using whatever method is customary on your flavor of Linux, which is typically app.get install TeX Live or yum install TeX Live. Next thing you want is a LaTeX editor. If you're an Emacs user, you can install the Octech package if you don't already have it, and this will allow you to use Emacs as your LaTeX editor. There are also some distributions of Linux that have specialized editors, such as Kyle on KDE. So search the web for a LaTeX editor that's supported by your flavor of Linux, install your preferred editor, launch it, and you are ready to start working on the course.